Hello guys, so today I'll be explaining how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method. I have explained how to solve it by substitution method. Elimination method, as the name implies, requires you to remove one of the unknowns, either by addition or subtraction. So how do you know which one to eliminate? Just look for the one that has the same coefficient. In fact, you cannot even use elimination method if the coefficients are not the same. So we look for the one that has the same coefficient, or in some cases you manipulate by multiplying the equations by a particular figure or not to bring them to having the same coefficient. I will do that in another example. But luckily for us here, we have two unknowns, x and y, and this y in equation 1 and equation 2 have the same coefficient, because the coefficient of y here is 1 and also here also is minus 1. So how do we decide what to do, either to add the two equations or to subtract in order to eliminate one of these unknowns? Let's see a quick one. Now, plus 1, if we have plus 1 here in equation 1, we have plus 1 plus minus 1, because minus 1 is the coefficient of y in second equation. This is if we are adding. Let's see. Plus 1 plus minus 1, this will be 1 minus 1. It gives us 0. Let's see if we subtract these two equations. Now we have y, which is actually plus y, minus, that should be 1, not y. We are talking about the coefficient. So I have plus 1 minus 1. So this is 1. Minus multiplied by minus will become plus. You see, this gives us 2. So this does not eliminate, it actually complicates the equation. So we, in this case, will have to add these two equations together. And that's very simple. You have 2x plus y equals to 7. And I have 3x minus y equals to 8. Simple. Just add the two equations together. Now we have 2x plus 3x is 5x. Plus y minus y will actually be 0. And 7 plus 8 is 15. So now we have our x to be equals to 15 all over 5. 5 goes in 15, 3 places. So we have x equals to 3. And like we do in substitution method, what you now have to do next is to substitute. Now we know that x equals to 3. So what we do now we know that x equals to 3. So now we know that x equals to 3. So we substitute into any of the equation. In this case, I pick equation 1 and solve for the value of y. So equation 1 says 2x plus y equals to 7. That's equation 1. So we know x equals to 3 now. So we substitute that into the equation y equals, that's 7. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 plus y equals to 7. Collect like times, y will be equals to 7. This crosses the equality sign and becomes minus. That's y equals to 7 minus 6, y equals to 1. So we know x equals to 3 and y is equal to 1. Let's verify and see if our workings of Charlotte. It's very important for you to do that, to always try in a corner to verify. So let's use equation 2 to verify. So my equation 2 says 3x minus y has to be equal to 8. Now x equals to 3, so we have 3, it's bracket 3, minus y equals to minus 1. So we have, y equals to 1, not minus 1, y equals to 1. So equals to 8. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9, this minus 1 equals to 8. 9 minus 1 is actually equals to 8, so we are right, 8 equals to 8. And that's how to verify whether you are right or wrong. In the next example, I will use an equations that don't have the same coefficient, and I'll teach you how to manipulate that to have the same coefficient. Thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Feel free to ask questions on any of my social media platforms. And it's important for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you have first-hand notification when I upload tutorials. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you.